Hi there, Ryan here, Silly Reviews, posing the question, is a $25 automatic drive-through car wash worth it? Do you notice that these car washes are popping up everywhere? This is Big Dan's. Their most expensive wash is the Auto-Graphx5 Graphix. It's $25 for one wash. And it includes dynamic ceramic, C4 rain repel, graphene carbon coating, buff and dandy dry, plus everything from the tier below it. If we look at the tier below it, which is the enhanced wash, so you're also getting the underbody rinse, the fusion wax and seal, the dandy dry, and then you're also going to get the shine it, which has the rain repel and the tire shine. So that's their basic at $17. So we're going to spend $25 at Big Dan's Car Wash and see if it's worth it. It's going to spray everything but the kitchen sink on your vehicle. It's going to scrub it. Let's see, more description, what it is. The Auto-Graph is our signature wash that amplifies our 3-step dynamic ceramic process. Yeah, lots of fancy words. Well, we'll go ahead and pull in here. We're going to scan our purchase right here. There's going to be a guy who pops up on me and he wanted to help, but then he's like, oh, you got it under control. So that's pretty nice that they have somebody there to make sure they don't lose business by somebody who just may be confused by the purchase process. Now we're going to dipsy-do and drive on up. They keep everything really clean at this car wash. It's really nice. Nice thank you signs everywhere. Now this guy's going to direct you in because you want to put your wheel on that track, right? And that can be a little nerve-wracking, but just follow the trained professional. He's going to say, bring it in, turn your wheel a little bit, bring it in, turn your wheel a little bit. No big deal. He knows what he's doing. Now watch these movements. He's got it down pat. He's going to show you. Check it out. Put it in neutral, take your feet off the pedal, hands off the steering wheel, wipers off. He did miss the hand signal on the wipers off. I did have some muddy cat paw prints climb up the hood, and he gave me a pre-wet, a little pre-spray. All right, got a little pre on it.
Here comes the pre.
And from here, we're just going to let you enjoy the ride through this machine, and we'll touch back in later. All right, that was a fun time. Really got the senses going with all the colors and the textures. It sprayed all kind of stuff on the vehicle. You wait for the light to turn green, put your vehicle back in drive, and you exit. Now, I didn't utilize this this time, but I did drive past it so you could see. If you want to, they have cleaning stations that are really nice, really well set up, very modern. You're going to find this at a lot of places. Vacuum, air blowers, towels, glass cleaner, spot remover, even these machines that will automatically scrub, wash, and dry your floor mats. Pretty cool. $25. The vehicle does come out clean. It doesn't come out perfect, but it's nice every now and again, especially if it's not going to rain shortly thereafter. And guess what? I thought the rain would hold off, but only a couple hours later, it did rain on the vehicle. And then, of course, that night, a cat walked on it. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment.